Right. Have a seat, session. Have yourselves go through. You look familiar. You're not Zaki, are you?
Yeah, I am.
I'm Simon Monk. I used to work in the computing department.
Ah, Simon.
How are you, Sam? I wasn't there very long, but I thought I
I thought to myself, I told you before, and I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
I'll tell you a story.
Yeah.
One day, we were in Banner Building,
Yeah.
and
Did I get blamed for something?
no.
Yes.
And I keep telling this story. Tell about it. One day, I think you gave a presentation about the www. What the hell is W? The internet.
Yeah.
So we didn't know about the World Wide Web then.
Yeah.
It wasn't known very much.
Yeah.
In Banner Building.
No.
You were talking about it already. I remember that. Hi, Simon.
Yeah, good to see you again. Yeah,
Okay,
nice to catch up with you.
but you were there for 5 minutes and you went away.
I know, I wasn't there very long. Okay, well, what I'm doing now.
a video of that.
What I do now is I write books about electronics and open source hardware. So I write books about Raspberry Pi and Arduino. Megan publishes. Have you? Oh, right, the programming that Raspberry Pi.
Oh yeah.
It's Python. Python. It's Python.
I think it's Raspberry Pi user guides.
Oh right, no, that one isn't mine.
Oh yeah. Oh that's
That's somebody else's book. You shouldn't have bought that one. You should have bought that. No, it is very good book as well. But what I also selling is these kits. They cost £15, and you basically get everything you see here. So you don't, well, apart from the Raspberry Pi, you don't get a Raspberry Pi. You have your own Raspberry Pi. But you do get these. You get this, which is called Breadboard. Come across this
I've
before?
heard of it.
Okay.
I don't really know.
Alright, well the good thing about it is you can make electronics on it without having to do any soldering. So you can see these components, they'll just push in. So the holes like that. And then you have leads here that connect up to the Raspberry Pi. And that fits over the top of that onto the pin. And that's got a little pin on it that then fits into there. So if you look at like one of these projects, if I find so this one is like a thermometer. So you get all these with the kit as well. So they show you how to connect everything up. So it's like that basically, but then you have to connect one of these in as well. And this thing is a thermistor which measures temperature. So what you can do is turn your Raspberry Pi into a thermometer. So you connect it all up, and then you run a program that you download from the website, and when you do, a window will pop up that shows you the temperature. And then there's a slightly different one that uses this thing. Do you know what this is? Is it Fodder? This one? It's a little, it's actually a buzzer. It's a little, little loudspeaker, a big electric buzzer. So you can put that on, and then you can connect that up as well. And then you can, yeah. So if it gets too hot, it buzzes, and or you could do it with a light level instead, using this, which is a little light sensor. Yeah, so there's all these different projects that you can do. So there's a thermometer. This one's a light height. So what it does is it measures the amount of light, and the darker it is, it changes the tone of the buzzer. So it buzzes from higher pitch to lower pitch, so you can make like different sounds. There's a reaction timer, and it turns on an LED that either turns it on to be red or to be green, and then you have to press the right button depending on which colour it is, and it measures the temperature. It measures how long it took you to press the button, like the temperature. It's like a test of the reaction timers. And then there's one that uses this just to mix different colours, because this is a red, green, blue LED. So it's actually got 3 LEDs within the one body. And when you run the program for this, you have like 3 sliders on the screen, and you can specify how much red, how much green, how much blue, and then you can get different colours out of it. So purple, if you just have red and blue, that kind of thing. And then this is just the getting started part. It tells you where to get the programs and how to run them. There's 2 little red LEDs as well that you can use to blink, and they'll just blink into. That's the thermometer with the buzzer. this one's an email notifier. What happens is because the Raspberry Pi has a network connection and you can connect it to the internet, you can press a button, and when you press the button, it'll send an email to somebody. So you could change that a bit and perhaps have the temperature sensor, so as if the room got too cold, it would send you an email saying you need to go home and turn the heating on because you're going to get this pipe or something. So there's lots of little things like that. This one's project is a proximity detector. So you just have a wire coming out of it, and when you get very close to that wire, it detects that you're near it, and it'll make the LED lights. Or you could have it do something in your Python program when it detects that movement. So that's it really. If any of you would like one of these, they're free. If you would like one to put on your Raspberry Pi, and they just fit over the...
I saw those and thought they were very cool.
Yeah.
Be able to stick them over the top of the pins.
Yeah,
know
just
what it
makes-
is.
I
Yeah.
know. I mean, that's the problem, is working out which pin is which. It does make life a lot easier. Yeah.
Where can you buy your kits from?
Well, I've got some here today. Also, if you look on there, it says monkmakes.com. Yeah, so if you go on there, you can find these kits and some of my books.
I'm really impressed with that.
Good, thank you.
Yes, and I'll tell you, I've had a big box of these things, red box, fancy ones.
Okay, yeah.
Fancy ones.
Yeah.
It's been lying in my place for a very long time.
It's one of those things you've been meaning to get around to.
Really old one. And I was so fed up with a pile of stuff.
Yeah.
You name it.
Okay.
Even with the breadboard with the knobs called
Oh, screw to it.
yes.
Yeah.
Well, it was 5,000 something. But really, this is very interesting.
Well, I mean, I guess a lot of people buy the book and then ask for one of my books and say, where can I get the components from? And it's so hard because I do give lists for different suppliers of where you can get them from, but you end up having to take some things from one shop and some things from another shop.
Yeah.
And I just thought it'd be a lot easier. So a lot of the projects that you can do with this set of components are trying to tailor it towards that.
What do you do now? What would you work?
I'm full-time writing. I do this for a living. My publishers are both American. Most of the stuff I sell is over there.
I'm really impressed and I'm surprised. And I don't want to know. Well, I know your name.
Yes, it's very good to
This year.
Trying to do the bit of advertising for you.
Yeah, thank you.